Miss Nora Honor and her works that have indelible mark in our hearts. We commence the Nora Honor Superstar Award.
At upang igawad ang parangal, narito muli ang ating famous President, Ms. Francia Conrado, kasama sina John Ray Rivas, Raymond Diamzon, Alex Zandra Marie Vicente, Marian Chico, Derma Premier House of Aesthetics, Jenka Aesthetics.
This award recognizes artists that resemble the passion, hard work, and excellence of Miss Nora in her craft. This honors the artists that create valuable impact to the Philippine television and cinema.
Nora Honor Superstar Award, Julian Santos. Julian Santos earned the moniker of Young Superstar through her exceptional career in box office achievements. She consistently respects and reaffirms the national artist for film as the ultimate superstar of Philippine cinema that flashes her acknowledgement with reverence for her trailblazer and pride in her own career, a graceful balance of admiration and confidence. Cementing her showbiz appeal and leadership among her contemporaries. To die is indeed a Nora Honor protege for her incomparable brilliance in elements that influence television and Philippine cinema. Nora Honor Superstar Awardee, Miss Julian Santos.
Mabigat din talaga. First of all, good evening to everyone. And sa lahat po ng bumubuo ng FAMAS. Maraming salamat po sa recognition ito. Though wala naman po talagang makakapalit sa nag-iisang Nora Honor. Pero siya ang nagbukas at nagbigay daan para sa aming mga ordinaryo at pangkaraniwang nangangarap. Dahil sa kanya, nabigyan po kami ng pag-asa. Salamat po sa recognition na to. Hindi naman malalagpasan ang narating ng nag-iisang Nora Honor. Sapat na sa akin na nagawaran ako na may pangalan ng nag-iisang superstar. Maraming salamat.
To a person with noteworthy involvement and exemplary service and
chapter in her illustrious career, she not only became a household name as a child star, but also garnered multiple famous awards for her exceptional talent. Her career is a testament to talent, adaptability, and resilience in an industry that can often be fickle. She grew up in front of the camera and managed to stay relevant as she matured, a feat that many child stars struggle to achieve. Julian Santos' famous journey, marked by awards and recognition, showcases her dedication to her incomparable craft. Famous child icon of the Philippine cinema, Julian Santos.
Again, Thomas, thank you so much. Almost 4 decades in the industry, and I still love this world. Hindi siya madaling mahalin, hindi rin siya mahirap mahalin. Mahirap lang manatili sa industriya to kung hindi ka totoo. So this recognition, I would like to offer this to each directors and producers na nagtiwala sa akin nung bata ako. From Direk Argel Joseph, Direk Emil Cruz na nagbuo ng Mara Clara, kung paano nabuo ang pamamahalang ng tandem natin ni Gladys. To Mother Lily, for my first manager, Jess Osita, Tito Alfis, wala kang tawa. Marami man kami pinagdaanan na pag-aaway, malaki ang inulong niya sa akin. To my network, ABS-CBN, Tita Cory, Ma'am Charo, Stars naman, everyone, each and everyone na nakasama ko po sa industriya ko, sila ang naging dahilan kung bakit nandito pa rin ako hanggang ngayon. Sila ang bumuo sa akin at habang buhay ko po, ipagpapasalamat ang lahat na pinagdaanan ko sa industriya ko. Hanggang ngayon, mahal ko pa rin ang industriya ang kinalakihan. Salamat.
Congratulations to an icon. Congratulations to all our famous child icon.
From Jekka Cosmetics.
For 73rd Famous Awards 2025 Face of the Night, Male Celebrity. Congratulations, Arjo Atayde. And for our 73rd Famous Awards 2025 Face of the Night, Female Celebrity goes to Julian Santos.
First time ko po manalo nito. Maraming salamat, Thomas, at mabuhay ang Pelikula Pilipino. Maraming salamat po.
Video-graphing ako. Oh my gosh. Salamat po sa napakaraming magandang mukha dito, especially of course Mario Rivera, my sister. Ikaw dapat to, bebe. But thank you for the recognition. Salamat. Lumilubit, pag nalagawa na po ako ng Star of the Night, of Face of the Night, imposible po talaga nangyayari ito talaga eh. Salamat po. Ang ganda na tulog ko mamaya nito. Thank you! Sorry to my 21st century stylist and makeup artist. Bago ko makalimutan, and Beyonce in my hair. And for my ADM for my dress. Thank you very much.
Congratulations to this year's Best